I'm going to show you one fix for the Nespresso orange blinking light problem. 2 orange flashes may be an indicator that Nespresso may not be able to read the coffee pod barcode. And today we're going to clean the area that will be able to read the barcode. So this is the barcode here. Each Nespresso pod has a unique barcode that contains information about the coffee blend, brewing parameters, and optimal water volume. And when the Nespresso pod is inserted into the coffee machine, the machine reads the barcode using the optical sensor and scans it to determine the specific brewing parameters. A lot of times though, what happens is that this area down here, it's like a clear little area, the light will get, that little clear area will get gunked up. And while I'm in here, I'm also going to check the top splines here, make sure they're able to move and rotate and not too gunked up. So again, coming back to this area, this is the main concern. It looks pretty good from what I can see with my eyes, but on our latest Nespresso Next, it got pretty gunked up, and I think that was an issue. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip here. Just going to dunk it in some water, and might want to wring it out a little bit. But basically, you're just going to kind of go in this little in-between space and just kind of clean here. You may have to use a few Q-tips if it's really gunked up. And again, this is the area. See how it's kind of, this is not too bad actually, but you're going to want to go all around the back here as well. But if you remember how the coffee pot is inserted, the barcode is facing down. So the infrared kind of light is going to shine upwards to read the code, and if it can't read the code because there's gunked coffee, like see here, this is the Q-tip after I did it on the back as well. If it can't read the coffee code, then it's going to give you those 2 orange lights and blink at you. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to let it dry a little bit. And we've got some new coffee that came in here. And I'm going to show you, this is the actual barcode again. And what it does is it spins while it's in the machine, and it'll kind of spin at different speeds and tell the Nespresso machine all the different information and settings how to make the coffee each time. So again, this is what happens here. It'll spin, and then the light will shine up, read the barcode as it's spinning, and tell the machine how to make the coffee. I'm not sure what coffee that is actually, but I think it's actually espresso. So that's one way to do it there, and we use just the Q-tips to do that. And this is some new coffee we got in here. We like that's a new one there with golden caramel, rich chocolate, and sweet vanilla are kind of our go-tos there. And coming back to the machine, this little area in here, it actually turns. If you've got a ton of gunk and you need to get to the backside, you can kind of turn it with your finger here to get to it and use the Q-tip like that to clean it out. I hope this video brought value and helped. Check out this next video and subscribe.